All right, everyone, buckle up because you're about to hear about which cryptocurrency former President Trump is currently eyeing. It's probably not what you're thinking. But first, let's rewind to some heated discussions from yesterday's video regarding tariffs. So many people claim that rising prices in the US and globally are due to these tariffs, right? A few viewers suggested I just step away from politics completely. But let's be honest here. Whenever you talk Bitcoin, the US dollar, and the Federal Reserve, politics is that clingy friend who won't let go.
Totally. It's kind of mind-blowing how everything circles back to politics, isn't it? Like, you think you're just having a chill chat about crypto, and then boom, pension. Politics barges in. So, what do you think drives people to get so emotional about tariffs?
Fantastic question. Imagine tariffs as a toll booth on the freeway. When you're cruising toward your destination and suddenly you hit that toll booth, you've got to shell out extra cash just to keep going. Tariffs function similarly by raising prices on goods. And then that higher expense sends ripples throughout the economy, just like a stone tossed into a pond. And don't even get me started on how the realms of politics and finance rarely mix well. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole.
Oh my gosh, yes! That's like that time I tried to order pizza during a game night and the delivery fee was 3 times the price of the pizza? Seriously, why is everything so interconnected?
Exactly. It's that ripple effect in action. Now turning to interest rates, there's massive buzz about possibly lowering them. The excitement in the crypto space is palpable, but many newcomers don't realize that during the 2016 to 2018 bull market, interest rates were actually rising. Think of it like a roller coaster. Everyone had their hands up in excitement as they climbed higher, but when that drop hit, whew, you'd better hang on tight.
Whoa! So do you think people are too eager to cheer for low rates without grasping the bigger picture? That just sounds nuts.
Absolutely. It's similar to going to an amusement park and only enjoying the thrill rides without realizing you're going to be waiting in line for ages at the food stalls afterward. Many publications and influencers miss that crucial context. And let's not kid ourselves, the Federal Reserve runs that money printer like they're in a contest. You really think they'll stop? Not a chance.
I'm starting to see a pattern here. So if they keep printing money, what do you think is going to replace the US dollar down the line?
Great question. Honestly, I have a hunch we may see something new, possibly digital currencies. While they might deny it on the surface, the gears are turning quietly behind the scenes. Speaking of shifts, let's talk about Ethereum. Recently, Ethereum ETFs experienced fresh inflows, while Bitcoin ETFs saw notable outflows. This signals a significant shift, especially with Elon Musk weighing in with that jaw-dropping tweet about our national debt nearing $36 trillion. Can you even fathom that number?
Wow, that's like an unfathomable amount of dollars. So what does that mean for everyday people? Does it even matter to us?
It definitely matters. When the government throws around figures like that, it's like getting a spoiler for your favorite movie. Nobody likes a spoiler. And speaking of government policies, some people are suggesting we might prefer tariffs over income tax. Think back. Tariffs used to fund the government ages ago, while income tax was just supposed to be temporary. And look where we are now. Stuck with it. It's like letting someone come into your house and throw a huge party without your permission.
Yeah, totally. It's like letting a complete stranger have a bash in your living room, right? So, what's the core takeaway? Can we genuinely trust central banks with our money?
Trusting central banks can feel like a bit of a roller coaster ride. They might say they're not looking to push digital currencies, but I guarantee there's work going on behind the scenes at full speed. And back to Trump. Rumor has it he's dumping $5 million into Ethereum. His financial team isn't heavy on Bitcoin, which casts some curious shadows on Ethereum's trajectory. If you want to dive deeper into Ethereum's journey, check out my latest video for some juicy insights.
Oh wow, I'm so curious. So what should folks do to stay ahead in this fast-changing landscape?
Fantastic point. For those hungry for insights on buying and selling strategies, head over to learningcrypto.com. We're sharing some of the moves we're making as the market continues to evolve. And let's keep this dialogue going. Talk soon.
Yay! Can't wait to catch up more and learn about those strategies. Laughs.